Hello friends, today we are going to find out the percentage of this type of data in which total marks are given and obtained marks are given. Kindly click on the column in which you want to find the percentage. Write here equal. Now click this column whose percentage you want to find. I have clicked L2. Now put the sign this. This sign is for division. Sign of division, and now divide it by total marks, but do not show here the column number. You must show 200 and then multiply it with 100. This is the formula to find out the percentage. Now click the enter. It will automatically find out the percentage of these marks, 175 out of 200. Now if you want to find out the percentage of all the students, then click here and drag it to the end. It will find out the percentage of all the students automatically according to that formula. This was the simplest way to find out the percentage in Excel sheet without any hesitation. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and thumbs up this video. Share this video with your social circle. If you want to ask any question, kindly comment below the video.